Excitement is in the air as the DJI Neo, an innovative new drone, makes its debut in the tech world. Recently spotted at a Canadian retailer, this early appearance hints that its official release is imminent. For drone enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike, this is big news. The DJI Neo promises to revolutionize the mini drone market with its cutting edge features and user friendly design. In this video, we'll delve into what makes the DJI Neo a potential game changer. From its remarkable specs to its anticipated release date, one of the standout features is its advanced autonomous flight maneuvers, facilitated by DJI's Quick Shots technology. This feature allows users to capture breathtaking 360-degree perspectives with ease, making it perfect for documenting adventures or creating cinematic masterpieces. The ability to control these features via a dedicated app or even voice commands is a major plus, eliminating the need for a separate controller. This integration ensures that the Neo is not only versatile, but also incredibly user-friendly, catering to both seasoned pilots and newcomers to the drone world. One of the most exciting aspects of the DJI Neo is its compatibility with multiple controllers. The Neo is confirmed to work with the DJI RCN2 controller, and there is a strong possibility it will also support the RCN3. This move indicates a shift in DJI's approach towards a more standardized control system across its product lineup. There is speculation about the DJI Neo's video transmission capabilities. Noted drone expert Jasper Ellens suggests that the Neo might leverage DJI's O4 ecosystem for video transmission. This technology could enhance video quality and offer more reliable transmission, which is crucial for both recreational and professional drone pilots. This feature would allow pilots to experience immersive flying by seeing exactly what the drone sees in real time. For enthusiasts interested in dynamic and high-speed maneuvers, the Neo's potential compatibility with DJI Goggles 3 and the FPV Arc 3 controller could significantly enhance the FPV experience. The DJI Neo is expected to come equipped with several advanced flight modes designed to cater to a wide range of pilot preferences. These modes include Real View, Easy Acro, Rocksteady, M Mode, Head Tracking, Ultra Low Height, and GoFlow Stabilization. The rumored compatibility with current DJI controllers, such as the RCN2 and possibly the RCN3, could make it easy for existing DJI users to add the Neo to their collection without needing to invest in new hardware. This approach aligns with DJI's strategy of creating a cohesive and interconnected ecosystem where devices work together smoothly. As the excitement around the DJI Neo continues to build, many are eager to know when they can get their hands on this cutting-edge drone. While an exact release date has not yet been confirmed, the early appearance at a Canadian retailer suggests that the launch is just around the corner.